In front of me is REALME C71 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine turned white, which means that location is off. To turn it on, click on the same shortcut until it's blue. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll all the way down to click on Location section over here, and manage it thanks to the switcher next to Location Services. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!